Hello, this is Mike Meyer, creator of the R.E.M quote tool, and in this session we are going to walk through the functions of the Small Business Healthcare Tax Credit Calculator. One mouthful. Alright, first thing to do is to open up the quoting tool itself, come to the red tab, which is the census data entry, and make sure that we have the appropriate census data in. We need a date of birth or an age, and we need family status. That's particularly germane to this because the correct premium amount will funnel through. So once we have the family status in and the census in, then we mark an X for those particular employees who are family members. We put the correct amount of work in, whether they're full-time with 40, 32, what have you, and their wage. Okay. Once their wage is in, and by the way, you can factor in, if you don't know, and they make $9.25 an hour and they work 32 hours a week, down here is a little calculator for you to figure that out. Once that is all factored in, now we can go through and all the numbers are in here for you. So the health premium for this particular group, the employer is paying 100% of the employee portion by checking here. That amount is $126,885, which is more than the average premium for the small group market. This is a particular group in Minnesota, and we did that, by the way, by checking the state up here. We're going to change it to Nebraska, where I live. Come back over to the Small Business Healthcare Credit, Tax Credit. You can see we have all the states and the average set by HHS over here. Once the state is factored in, then the correct premium flows through. This number is the amount of employees. This number is the amount of families, and that's other than employees, basically. And this is the total. And you'll notice it was a 16 life group minus the 3 family members for the total of 13. So $87,111 is what they come up with. That number factors in here, and the smaller of the two is what's going to be usable for this particular credit. So 35% of $87,111 is $30,000. That flows through. We have more than 10 employees, so there's 2 more. 2 over 15 divided by the 30,000 is $3,659. And we don't have an average wage of more than $25,000, so there's no factor here. That $3,659 flows through here. That's taken away from the $30,489 for your credit of $26,830. And that is how you use the Small Business Healthcare Tax Credit Calculator. A mouthful for anybody. I am Mike Meyer, and I hope this has been helpful. My contact information is on the screen.